Hi friends. So today for this video I'm just going to show you how to attach flowers. Okay, for the purse I have already attached 3 and I'll show you. So one without, if you don't have the tail, okay, and one with leaving a long tail while making your flowers. So for this flower there is a tutorial. Okay, I will put the link. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, and you can always go and check out and make your own flowers. If you want, you can make the same ones, any color which you like. Okay, so we are going to attach this. So we are going to learn 2 different ways. If you have the yarn, I just woven the ends. Okay, so that I can show you how you can attach a flower without having a long tail to weave in. So when you're making flowers, make sure you leave a long tail, okay, so that it becomes easy for you to weave in. Okay, so let's grab a needle and let's get started sewing it. Now this goes for any existing project, okay, not necessary this one only. So you're just going to keep where you want the flower to be. Okay, grab it. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to grab one loop of the stitch here, okay, and come out from one stitch here from the flower. Okay, come out like this. So we are attaching only the center. Okay, then go from the next stitch where your 2 double crochet is there, the petal's next stitch, go inside, grab a loop here, okay, of a double crochet, then down. Now before coming out from here, I'll just grab a loop of a double crochet like this here, then try to come out from here, okay, then go down and grab a loop like this. And this way I'm going to just attach the center of the flower. Okay, and I'm coming up, I'm grabbing a loop of the double crochet from the purse, and then when I'm going down, then also I'll try to grab a loop. Okay, so now I don't mind the stitches in front, okay, white showing. If you want, if you like, it's well and good, right? If you don't, then you can try a different way. Okay, so now once I have reached at the end here, I'll just go here in the petal. Okay, in the petal I'll go here, maybe just grab a loop and try to reach the other side here, and in the petal, back of the petal here, I will weave in the end before I snip. Okay, as it is in white color. Okay, if you don't want the white color showing, you can use the brown color also, okay, for weaving in the middle section of the flower. You can use the middle color, that it will not show. So I'm just going to weave my end for the pattern and then snip my yarn, and that's done. Okay, now this remaining yarn I'm going to use it for this flower which doesn't have the tail. Okay, so I'll just place it where I need. Okay, and then we are going to make a slip knot at the end of the tail of the yarn. Okay, grab it like this. Now first I need to attach my yarn, so what I'm going to do, just grab a stitch from here, come till the end and put it back in the loop, the slip knot which we made, pull it and cinch it. Now it is attached nicely, so I go from here, come out from the flower, and the process continues. Okay, grabbing the one loop, and this is how you can weave your flower, whether you have the yarn remaining or not. You can use a sewing thread also, the same way, same color. If you have, you can use in brown, you can use it in white, it doesn't matter. And when you reach here, now both the tails you're going to just weave in the white petal. Okay, and we have our flowers attached to the purse, nice and clear, and they're nice free also, and our blossom purse is ready. So thank you for staying. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little tip of sewing the flowers to the purse, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.